Hi there, how are you? It's Yasmin and I am sat in the car because I'm really cold right now. But I just wanted to record this really short video for you because last night I was actually just reflecting and thinking about why it is that I do what I do and what really spurs me on and why tiny time, big results is so important to me and the work I'm doing. And it came to me like this bolt of lightning, this flash of inspiration, if you like, if that's not too lofty. And I realized that actually what really frustrates me is seeing really good people just getting bogged down in the day-to-day stuff. Getting bogged down in all the stuff that you have to do, these impossible to-do lists, these never-ending to-do lists, your constant list of shoulds and how you think you should live your life and blah, 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 blah. And we get bogged down with all of that. And that stops us from living our full, divine purpose. What we're here for, essentially. And so that's what I love to do, is I want to get rid of all that crap for you and help you to actually live a life full of joy and full of the stuff that you're meant to be doing, you know, using your skills, your talents, your passions, and actually do more of that. And that's pretty cool. So I'm pretty excited that that's what I get to do for my work. So let me ask you a question. What are you doing today that's really going to help you to live your life of purpose and your divine reason for being here? And how are you going to cut through all of the crap that's really holding you back right now? So there's my question for you. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, love.